Good morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and it is
Embarkation Day.
Embarkation Day. So you know what? We're going downstairs, checking out of the hotel, catching our Uber, and let's go get on the ship.
Yes.
All right, time to board the Discovery Princess. Tiffany is ready to take the first step on board. Boom.
Hello, welcome.
Morning. All right, baby, you are officially on the Discovery Princess on your Alaska cruise.
Finally.
Finally. All right, so we are heading to our muster station. We have Holland America's Westerdam also in port with us today. All right, Tiffany is hitting the buffet. See what she's got going on here. You got the bakery area. You got lunch meat. You got some little sandwiches. Mango cheesecake. Pistachio cake.
There's your very bright orange shirt.
Taking their snows and trees pretty serious. We have made it on the ship and we are already inside our cabin. They're actually ready a little bit earlier today. So it was about, I don't know, what do you say? It was a little trafficking. There was construction from the ride from the hotel over here to the cruise terminal. It's about a 20-minute, 25-minute ride, give or take, over here to the cruise terminal. With Uber, it was super fast, super easy. Picked us up, dropped us off. So no issues or problems there. I will say, though, that this cruise terminal, one, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Today there's two ships here. We're here, Discovery Princess, and the Holland America Westerdam are both here, and they feed out of the same terminal. I don't know. I thought, one, the terminal would be bigger because of a number of cruises that go to Alaska, but maybe because it's not full-time, year-round. I don't know. In my opinion, it seemed a lot less organized than Galveston does normally when we sail. At Galveston, it's like bam, bam, bam. You're on the ship. Here, I don't know, you have to stand in line to drop off your luggage, to then stand in line to scan your medallion, to then stand in line to check in, and then eventually they let us board the cruise ship. I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's different. I don't know. But Galveston is 100 times faster.
Yeah.
You just drop off your bag, boom, 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 you're in. Just a super minor, I guess,
Just
observance, something we noticed, not a negative, not a positive, not gonna ruin our cruise, nothing crazy like that.
No.
Nothing crazy like that. But we've been around the ship a little bit. We went to the buffet for lunch.
Yes. It was good.
It was pretty good.
A lot more choices than...
Yeah, than the Ruby Princess had. Yeah, the buffet is definitely bigger. It's laid out better than the Ruby Princess was. And definitely a lot more choices. They had it divided into sections. There was American, Italian, there was an Indian section, so you could just kind of go around and get a little bit of everything that you wanted. We haven't explored the whole ship yet. It has definitely got some Embarkation Day crowdedness going on, but everybody's just trying to come on and figure out where they're at. So we've just been kind of hanging back a little bit because we know it'll quiet down here shortly. But we're going to get unpacked here in the room, get some stuff put away, and then we're going to head up for Sail Away.
Yes.
Well, actually, we're going to do a live prior to Sail Away, so we will have our Embarkation Day live. Then we're going to head up to Sail Away.
Yes.
Right? All right. Well, let's get going.
Okay.
All right. There goes Holland America. They are headed to Alaska already. Looks like they're going to be the first ones out today. There's also a Norwegian ship in today, as well as us. So, but we got about another hour before we head out. Quick little view. It's a little noisy down there. We just finished up a quick, fast live video. Just waiting for our turn to depart. Well, if you ever wonder if ships go through a lot of potatoes and onions, there you go. That's all potatoes and 1 pallet of onions, plus whatever they've already loaded onto the ship. So we are on our way. Alright, so here is the menu for Gigi's Pizzeria. Oh, see, this is like really fancy for a pizza place. What do you think, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? But it is included in the price. Alright, so our pizzas have come. Now, Tiffany made me get a ham and pineapple one because she wanted to try it. And then she got a margarita pizza. I tried to get a pepperoni, but Crazy Bone over there said, no, get ham and pineapple. So I got ham and pineapple. So for anybody who doesn't believe in pineapple on pizza, Tiffany did it. Right, baby? So we found a moose on the ship. And Tiffany is shopping already.
This wasn't pink. This would be cute.
But there's other colors.
No?
Look, if you go with yellow, I'll never not know where you are. Go give the moose a kiss.
You give the moose.
Kiss the moose. Baby, kiss the moose. Look, he's lonely.
What's the raffle?
It's 7 p.m.
Okay.
But you have to kiss the moose.
So you put it there before and get this thing.
But she says you can't win if you don't kiss the moose. And then we got our 2 premium desserts. Now these are included with the Princess Plus package. So this is the Michelangelo. And then Tiffany got the Leaning Tower. But yeah, take a look at this thing. Yeah, that's
Popcorn in it.
yeah, there's a muffin on the top of this one. So we're gonna eat some dessert. I think we've gained what, 10 pounds already today?
Yeah.
Embarkation day done, over and complete. Starting to get a little dark out. It's about 9 o'clock at night, but it's been a long day. Up early, getting on the ship, all that kind of good stuff. We usually don't stay up real late on embarkation day, and there's not really a whole lot going on the ship tonight. It's relatively quiet. It's cold. I don't know another way to, and it's probably not that cold, but we're from Texas, so we're cold.
Yes.
We're just cold. We're up on deck 17. I'm like, Dorothy, we're not in Texas anymore. Had to run inside. It was terrible. So we're not used to it, but we got lots of warm clothes and everything like that. So I think we're going to go ahead and get ready and call it an early night. But we've seen some really awesome stuff. Just looking out over the balcony, mountains, snow.
We left long enough to go eat. Otherwise, we've been staring off the balcony.
Yeah, I'm not going to lie. A lot of today has just been us on the balcony watching it go by. But that's why we came to Alaska. That's what we really wanted to do. I don't want to be inside the middle of the ship when there's so much great stuff to see right outside.
Yeah.
Right? So, but we're going to get some sleep. We're going to get up. Tomorrow is a sea day. So we'll have more time all day on board the ship. And here in a couple hours, we'll be back. We'll be out more in open water, so there won't be so much to look at least on the sea day tomorrow. I don't think.
Who knows?
Yeah, which means we'll have more time to do other stuff.
Yes.
But for now, I hope everybody has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day.
And like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.